Data-driven projects? That's right. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use the data to really differentiate the projects, choice boards, and project-based learning opportunities for all students. So what I created was a 5-step process, and I use this as an instructional coach. So what I do is I break it down by starting out with what resources do the teachers have, like district resources, and the data they collected throughout the year. So I'm going to really use that information to group my students by those different abilities for the skills that are going to be a part of the project. Next, I'm going to go through a planning process with the teachers talking about how to plan out the projects because they're so important to be doing small groups, independent practice, and of course, time to work on that project. Then I'm going to talk about the difference between projects, choice boards, and project-based learning. And I'm going to really focus in on which one fits best for that grade level and or that teacher. While I'm planning with the teachers, I'm really going to think about the process of deploying the project. It's not just, here's a project, go have fun while I'm cleaning up my classroom for the summer. It's like, no, I want to make sure the students are on task and they're continually working through their project throughout that time period. So I'm going to teach them how to deploy progression boards. And a progression board is just walking through how to really ensure that students are getting their tasks done in an orderly fashion. And then finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to really talk about what is a success and why projects are really important. Projects really help with achievement, growth, and engagement. And we're going to really help the teachers understand that this is just not something to give to the students for busy work, but rather by using the data and differentiating the projects, we're going to enhance all of those key elements for every single student. Now, you can grab this and use this as a resource when you're getting ready to plan with your teachers as you get ready to do some data-driven projects for end of the year.